lake only, we have that Tooth Relic temple. Sorry?
No. New candy. My candy should. Candy te alu 5 minute kine kage share
উপরে উঠতে পারবো?
එතන වමට පරණ පාර දාගන්න අලුත් පාර කඩලා හදනවා ස්ටේෂන් එක ළඟ. පැය ගාණක් වෙලා යනවා උතන. ස්ටේෂන් එක ඉස්සරහ කඩනවා. Now you can see that Mahaveli River, ladies and gentlemen. This is the longest river in Sri Lanka, Mahaveli River. Now you can see that. This river's going in between the mountains and all. It's very beautiful.